This is a part of the hobby I love, like Morse code keys. I was playing with a side swiper here, so I homebrewed my own. Went to the hardware store, bought a piece of brass strip, some brass little brackets, some nuts and bolts, got a piece of wood, some plexiglass. Wire's kind of crude. I was going to redo that later. And I made this. When did I make this? Looks like April 25th, 2016. So up here for little gaps to give the spacing, a little bit of resistance, I used a little bit of rubber silicone. You can tighten that down to tighten up the resistance, but I don't know. I never got used to a thing like this. But anyways, you can get on the air, do some Morse code, and say, hey, on my homebrew key. What better thing than that? When I built, I don't know why the wires are stripped off of it missing. My daughter had a similar one, but hers was on a white baseboard. But anyways, left finger would be the dits, and the right finger, which would be my middle finger, would be the DAWs. I need to press that, and it goes into my key moss keyer I built. It's built off a little Ambit keyer chip we built in kits. Tony K2DDE back in 93, 94, whatever it was, ordered one of these boards for everybody in the club. We paid him in advance, and then when the parts came in, we all built our electronic keyer according to our own specs. I chose a larger box. I don't know why. I guess maybe I should have tried something smaller, but anyway, it just runs off 3 AA batteries, and I don't have anything programmed in it, but it looks like a wiring nest nightmare, but somewhere I have the manual and the schematic for it. And I had to actually replace, a few years ago, a 4.7 ohm resistor on that board right up there, which wasn't so bad. If you take it off, flip it over, just desolder it and slide a new one in and solder it back up, and it's good to go. So let me pop one of the batteries out.